Derek from Sibra Kitchens. I am the owner-operator of Sibra Kitchens, and I offer a full range of services throughout the Greater Toronto area and up through cottage country as well. Although I do mainly kitchens, I've done a number of bathrooms, bars, fireplaces, hardwood vinyl flooring installations, right up to entire home renovations. As you can see, I offer a wide range of cabinet doors, colors, handles, backsplash and flooring materials, countertops, sinks, faucets, you name it, I can organize it for you. My intention here with these posts is to bring you some household tips, some little tricks, and of course plenty of beautiful pictures of the kitchens and projects that I have done. Hopefully, I'll be able to help you through your process. So please feel free to call me or email me or post right here. Or better still, take a look at my website. You'll be able to view it at your leisure. So you have now met Sibra Kitchens. It's me. So whether your kitchen is simple or sublime, you're sure to get service with a personal touch. Thank you, and stay tuned for more posts.